3D models help your project teams make informed decisions throughout the lifecycle process for planning, building and operating factory systems and work cells. Combine point cloud scan data of the existing facility with your 2D and 3D CAD data to visualize your entire production facility in a single digital model. Navisworks automated clash detection can be used to help your team discover when two components occupy the same space, helping you to avoid finding this out during installation. Soft and hard clash detection between the point cloud scan of the existing conditions and the 3D model of the new proposal can help identify space constraints and equipment clashes before they become on-site issues. Create a clash detection report and mark up your model to communicate required actions to your colleagues. Each team member has clear and unambiguous information to help them adjust their model to coordinate with the planned design. CAD files are linked into the aggregated Navisworks model and can easily be updated by syncing the model. With the updated design loaded into the collaborative model, you can run the same clash detection again and compare the results against the previous reports. Autodesk Factory Design Utilities is part of the Product Design and Manufacturing collection and includes Navisworks for 3D model collaboration, clash detection, installation planning, markup and review to help you plan, build and operate your work cells and factory systems.